Hi, this is Sonya with Artsy Solutions, and I want to show you what I got in my Happy Mail from Sharyl Denny, and it's for the hashtag howdoyoudo, and it's going to be a group of us collaborators who are creating some things from stuff that we sent each other. So let's just go ahead and open up the package, and I'm keeping this bag, the paper bag that it came in, because I love that, and I'll probably use that with part of my journal cover, because that's what I'm going to make with this. And so the whole goal of the hashtag howdoyoudo is we just make stuff with literally everything that was sent to us. We each sent Sharyl some items, and then she redistributed it to each of us, so we all have the exact same thing. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what the contents are. And we have these gorgeous like beads and string and filigree. Let me see if I can kind of get a close-up of them. That's a little filigree. And we've got some embossed, look like a die cut border or some type, and that's going to be very fun to use. And we've got these awesome beads and things, a little heart and different shaped beads and different colors. So most definitely those are probably going to be some embellishments I'm going to make with it. And then we've got us some string, and these will be great with tags or just anything, or I don't know, I might do some stitching with that. I don't know. We're going to see what I'm going to do with it. And we've got this beautiful eyelash trim. So we're going to have some fun with these. So let's go ahead and put this back in here, because I don't want to lose anything. Let me put this back in here and in here. And we don't know who sent what, so that's the fun of it. And except for what we sent. We of course know what we sent. And I've got this beautiful fabric right here. Love the patterns and textures. I'm going to have fun with that. Not sure what I'm going to do. And then we've got, now in this bag, I've got some goodies. Let's see what we have. And I'm going to keep this bag too. I'm probably going to use this bag in the project as well. These ladies really did a whole lot. This isn't the first time that they've had a hashtag howdoyoudo. This is my first time doing it, but they've some of the members have done this more than one time. So we've got this cute little spool here, and oh, I love this because it kind of reminds me of I forgot what it's called. It's where you take the string and fabric and you create stuff with it. But I love this. This is so neat. Yeah. So I'm going to have fun with that. And we've got this like strip of like collaged paper. And we've got this, is this like a little necklace, like a chain? Yes. So look like a jewelry finding. And I wonder if this has like a magnetic closure. Or, yes, look at that. It does have a magnetic closure. I'm going to have fun with that too. And make sure I don't lose that. I'll put that back in here. Now that's going to be a fun thing, because I might use that as a closure. I'm not real sure yet. Let me make sure I don't lose that. And put this here. And then we've got this gorgeous fabric right here. Reminds me of sari silk or something. I'm not real sure. But, oh, that's going to be fun to use. And we've got this. I love having fabrics. And this already has some stitching on it. So, I imagine I might make this into a pocket or something. I don't know for sure yet. But I'm going to have fun with that. And then these are, is this a magnet? I think this is like a self-adhesive magnet. And then I have like a little gear. And we have this leaf. And with this being fall, that's going to be fun. But I'm not real sure. I might grunge this up. I'm not sure because I love grunge. Grunge is my style. So I'm going to put this back in here because I'm not real sure what I'm going to do yet. I just don't want to lose anything. So we're going to keep that in here. And then we have this right here. I'm just going to pull all of this out. And look at this. Look at the washi tape we have on here. We have different patterns of washi tape. That's going to be nice. And I like the bag that it's in too, because I can use that as well. And we've got this napkin. I think it's 2-ply. I'm going to have some fun with that. Nice little pattern. And we've got this chipboard piece. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And I like how you have little areas where you can insert something in it. So I can connect that with something. And then we have this, our little foil cardstock. Let's see the different colors that are in here. It's a whole pack. I might do some tintypes or something with these. I'm not real sure. We have like 2 silver, 2 gold, and we have a red, and I guess, is this silver? Or, not sure what the colors are. And we have a blue and a green. So these are going to be fun to play with. And then we've got these nice little words on here. These are text stickers that I created in Photoshop. Oh, somebody created this. They are printed in clear matte sticker paper for you to use in your projects. They are transparent with no white background. That is awesome. I love this. Now that's going to be fun. This is going to be great to use on some of my pages and stuff. So, and then we've got all these great fabrics and tissue and lace. Excuse me, and lace. Love that. That's gorgeous. And then we've got this little doily piece. And I do like shabby chic. So I might, instead of grungy, I'm probably going to have a shabby chic look. And I love this little envelope, this little coin envelope. And we're going to have fun with that. And we have some old book pages and like matte pages. Oh, these are like part of real books. And these are look like stamps. Let me see. Hold on. Let me take these out. Well, I don't want to lose it. So we have like a variety of real stamps. Yeah, real stamps. That's going to be fun. And we have a definition. I like that. And we have some of these gorgeous like paper. I don't know if it's a jelly print or like maybe a combination of jelly print. I love this. Oh, so this was on the back of a music page. I'm going to have fun with that too. And we have like a little barcode. I love that. That's neat. I'm going to put this in here. Put that back in there so I don't lose it. Put this back in here. And we have this. Oh, I love this. I love butterflies. And this is like a 3D printed embellishment. I'm going to have some fun with this. This is nice. And then we have this check. Oh, wow. And it's a real check. Like, legit real check. Oh, wow. Industrial Trusted Company. That's super cool. Vintage, because I love vintage stuff. And we've got this bag. It feels like a wax bag. Love that. And I love the colors of it too. Gonna have fun with that. And this is beautiful fabric right here. And I love this little floral patterns because I can just see taking some of these individual pieces out, cutting them out into shapes, into the whatever that shape is. Oh, and then we've got this gorgeous vintage day sheet from back in the day. Like, oh, I love this. I'm gonna have fun with this. Oh, and then we've got this whole package of goodies in here. Wow. Man. Make sure I didn't leave anything there. I'm going to use this envelope too. And so we have some, looks like game pieces, like the money from games. That's going to be fun. Win, lose, or draw. Okay, I remember this little game. I never played it, but I do remember it. Win, lose, or draw. And then we have some questions and answers on here. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's neat. Makes me want to play the game. And then we've got these cute little stickers. Look at there. And there's some cute scrapbook paper to match it. And we've got some of this. Oh, I like this paper too. I like the varieties of papers and things. And then we've got these little buttons, and it's like chipboard embellishments and things. And, oh, how cute is this? This little mini safety pin. And we have anywhere from like little horses to little cat, butterfly. I love butterflies. And just all kinds of cute little buttons and stuff. This is going to be so much fun. So, and then what else? That skips. Oh, yeah, and then we have these little bowl pens. I like the red. I have black ones, but I don't have any red ones, so that's pretty cool. And then we've got some safety pins. Hold on, let me put these back in here so I don't lose it. Okay, and then we've got the different color safety pins. That's what's up. I might color some of these because that's just, I love color stuff. Oh, how cute is this bee? That is just so cute. And then, oh, here's another little safety pin. I don't want to lose that. And then we've got this tag, this wooden tag. There is so much in here. We've got all these cute napkins. I see some decoupaging in the future. Look at this. This is beautiful. Beautiful prints and patterns. And then I love this black and white. Just love that. And then we've got these other papers. I love these. Oh, these are my colors right here. Yeah, the browns, reds, and creams. That's me 100%. We're gonna have fun with these. And then these grays. I love these too. We're gonna have fun with these. A Time to Die, the case. 3 people are murdered in a neighboring. Oh, so this is like a little mystery case. That's pretty cool. Solution timetable. Oh, that's going to be fun. And then we have this graph paper. I love this. I love these colors too. So this is pretty much it with what we received. And so we had all September to create something. And then starting October the 1st is when we can start posting our videos of what we made with it. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. I know for sure I'm going to make a journal, and then I'll probably on October 1st is my goal to go ahead and just have my project made. So what I may do is have, of course, I'm gonna have my main project on YouTube, and I may have some little short videos, YouTube shorts, TikTok, maybe Instagram videos, things like that of my process. But I'm probably not going to do a whole lot of like long videos of the total full project. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And I'll have a link in the description for all the participants, including their YouTube and Instagram. So go check them out, check out their channels, and see what they make. A lot of crafters, a lot of ideas, just fun. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and happy crafting.